Excuse me, is this the reception?
Excuse me, is this the reception?
So, excuse me, excuse me.
Excuse me.
Yeah, so with the word excuse, I kind of think excuse me. Now, obviously, I'm writing that in English. Excuse me. Excuse me. How does that sound to you? Because at the moment, the rhythm in it is you're not got the right breaks in the right places. So, excuse me.
Excuse me.
So with the word cues, it's sort of more Q. So it's more in the middle and the front of your mouth. Excuse me.
Excuse me.
That's better,
May.
yeah.
Excuse
May.
May. Excuse me.
That's better. Yeah, excuse me.
Excuse me.
Well, I had this terrible dream. Well, I had this terrible dream, though. The way it was though at the end.
I had this terrible dream, though.
Terrible. So that terrible.
Terrible.
Yeah. Well, I had this terrible dream, though.
I had this terrible dream, though. Oh, but I slept most of the way.
Yeah, but I would even go just slept.
Yeah.
Slept. Yeah, don't even do the T. Oh, it was, but I slept most of the way.
Oh, it was, but I slept most of the way.
Yeah, I like that. That sounds good. So earning points and everything.
Yeah, earning points and everything.
Everything. It's a thing.
Everything.
It's a thing. So you got like it's a thing.
Yeah.
Maybe even a longer a thing.
Earning points and everything.
That's it. Yeah. Exactly like that. That's great.
I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know.
Yeah, it took me ages to get here.
Yeah, took me ages to get here.
It took me ages. Yeah, it took me ages to get here.
Gonna go to get?
To get, no T on the end there. So, yeah, it took me ages to get here.
Yeah, it took me ages to get here.
That's it.